Jermaine All Natural. I am Jermaine Ryan. And in this video, we're gonna be talking about
very, very frightening shower gel from Lush Cosmetics. So this is, of course, one of their Halloween shower gels. Sweet, citrusy sudser, fit for true bohemians. So, of course, as we know with Lush, they always have a ton of natural ingredients in their products. This one, to very note, if you are someone that cares if your body washes, soaps, gels have sulfates in them. You know, they don't have a whole lot of shower gels that don't have SLS in it. This one does not have SLS in it. The first ingredient in this is the sodium cocophoracetate. So derived from coconuts is the first ingredient in here. Then you have water glycerin, safflower petal infusion. And then a slew of other different oils. To me, this is it is very citrusy, as it does say. It has sweet and citrusy, right? That's exactly what you get. And if you look at the link, which I will have down below, to this Halloween shower gel. Some of the ingredients that it shows in here is lemon and grapefruit, and to me it definitely does smell like a blend of the both. A little bit more on the grapefruit side than the lemon side, but very citrusy nonetheless. So let's go ahead and show you how this works. Puff, nice and wet. Skin, nice and wet. The consistency is, as you can see, it's not the thickest shower gel. It comes out really easily, and it says that it is a sudser, so just what I have poured on there, which is a lot more than normal. As you can see, it is definitely sudsing up, and as it like foams more and more, the scent gets sweeter, and so does the citrusy, to me, grapefruit scent. So it's like a sweet grapefruit scent. And this is definitely, you know, I am gonna have a ton left after this. And hopefully it's showing up on camera. I'm not sure if it is, but it is pretty much the exact same color as it is in the bottle. It's yellow still. All right. So let me go ahead and bathe, and then we'll come back and talk about what it said, what it did, and if there's anything that I need from this. Ooh. But suds everywhere. Suds everywhere. So on the website it says, shivers down your spine, back aching all the time. Use this, basically. So it says that this is gonna hit like a lightning thunderbolt because of the grapefruit and the bergamot. And then it says that the antioxidant-rich safflower petal infusion and soothing regenerative plantain extract, there's plantain extract in here, is gonna keep the skin terrifyingly soft. I have found that with this scent, it is because of the citriness of it, great, you know, like it says, lightning, you know, it's the citrus, you know, and citrus is typically very good for waking up in the morning, but because of some of the other scents that are in here, so you are gonna get that bolt, that citrusy, you know, jolt that you need, but it's not going to be extremely overpowering. You get that nice sweet aroma along with it, which I personally do like a lot. It definitely does leave my skin feeling very smooth, and after I rinse it, the entire bathroom has a very, just the citrusy, it's a very soft, sweet citrusy. It is very consistent with being citrusy and sweet smelling. Those are a lot of S's all in one sentence. What I have also noticed, and one thing that I do when I test out type of soap and or body wash, body gel, is to see really how well it actually keeps the skin moistened afterwards. And I've found that, and this isn't my first time using it, I'm not sure if it's gonna show. I've used about that much. I've been using it for about 2 weeks now, and I found that showering with it at night, getting up in the morning, my skin never felt itchy or over dry or anything like that. So it does not over dry your skin, which is a good thing. It does not leave me feeling ashy. It's a good thing. And my skin has been really, really soft after using this. I would definitely say you still need to follow up with a lotion of some sort.
Little Ash Wednesday on the elbows there.
A body lotion that Lush has that I think would pair very well with this scent is the Pansy. And I think because Pansy has the orange oil in it, it does kind of have that citrusiness to it, but it does also have that sweetness. I think these two are, and I only have a sample of the Pansy. I don't have it in here with me right now, but so once again, this is the Very, Very Frightening. It is a Halloween scent, so it is limited time only. I definitely think that it's worth checking out. I definitely think that it's worth getting. Once again, it is vegan and it does not have sulfates in it. So if you care about those things, comment down below. Let me know if you've used this before. Make sure you press the like button, punch subscribe, press the notification bell so that you can stay abreast when I post my videos. And again, thank you for tuning into JermaineAuNatural.